Hello and welcome to Master Connections. In this video, I will go over nodes, what they are and what they do here within the master panel, and show you what this visualization means and describe the columns here as well. First, going over what a node is, you can think of nodes as warehouses or inventory locations. And nodes can either download quantity from a source or be the main source of information that we send to connected marketplaces so they can download quantity and keep everything synchronized. So first, I'll go over these columns here up top. ID is going to be the node ID. This is mostly used for backend organization, not necessarily used a lot by sellers, but it's good to have just so we have that information in our system. The name of the node is going to be either what's created automatically or how you name it. For example, when we add some integrations such as Walmart Canada, we will download a list of SKUs and add a node based off of the name of the integration. So in this instance, Walmart Canada was created because we added the integration and downloaded the products to the master panel. You can also create a node simply by adding a master node here. You can name it whatever you want. You see, for example, we have a New York warehouse here. If you have an LA warehouse as well, you could add it this way. And when you add it, you can see that the data saves and then it populates a new warehouse, which is right here. The source is not necessary. If you have a source here, like Deliver for third-party fulfillment, we will actually download quantity from Deliver to our master panel, and then we can send that quantity that they send us to any marketplaces that we have connected to this node. The connections that you see the arrows coming out of the nodes, those are going to be the destinations. Destinations are going to be marketplaces that we have connected to the platform for your account. And the destinations, you can add them here. So if we were to add this Walmart DSV account here, then you could see the DSV account now downloads quantity from this New York warehouse. Just an example, you can do any marketplace that is available here in this add quantity destination. And then under action here, just allows you to either delete the information in the node or you can edit the name if you decide to change it later. And then I will go over the visualization here. So these light pink ones in the middle, these are actually going to be the nodes themselves. So if you have an arrow going into the light pink box, which is the node, that means that it's going to be downloading quantity from the source. So I have this LA warehouse. You can set it up to be downloaded from, an FBA account or any account that's available there in the quantity source. And then any arrows going out from the node is going to be the marketplaces that are connected to the node themselves. So if you add marketplaces that are connected to the node, it'll add arrows going to it. And then if you remove the connections, it'll actually get rid of them as well. So these light pink ones are going to be the node, and any arrows coming out will be where we're sending quantity to. So for example, you can see that these are the connected marketplaces to this New York City warehouse. All of these marketplaces should have synchronized quantity where we'll update in the master panel if we get an order from any of the marketplaces and then send that updated amount to the marketplaces that are connected. And that sums up master connections here for the master panel. If you have any questions or would like to know more, just contact our support and we will be happy to help you. Thanks.